What's going on, y'all? What's going on? What's going on? Listen, I'm back with yet another video. For those of you who are already subscribed, you already know what it is. For those of you who are tuning in for the first time, welcome. What you can find here are talks about maca root extract, how to gain/maintain weight, product reviews, skincare hacks, skincare products I've used and loved, and those that I haven't loved so much, Kojic acid soap, how to grow longer hair, specifically 4C hair, protective styles for 4C hair, motivational words, glow up recipes and hacks, much more. Just how to glow the heck up in general. All right, let's get into it. Now, you all loved the one done the other day, so we're gonna get into another one. I know you've been seeing this VICK'S Vapor Rub all over YouTube, and we gonna see. You want to know if it's gonna do some things. What I will say is that it's more of an instant booty pump effect, if you will. I'm not gonna say that you're gonna be out here like Chloe Bailey, booty rocking everywhere. I'm not gonna say that you're gonna be out here like Annabelle Hayes. But what I will say is that it'll give you a little something that you'll feel the tingle. You'll feel a little something. It won't give you absolutely permanent results, but it's gonna give you an instant booty pump effect. Okay, all you need is these two ingredients. As you can see, I'm always mixing up some things up in here. So we have those things out here, but what we are going to go into right now is the recipes for today, just this 2-ingredient recipe, and that is avocado oil and the VICK'S Vapor Rub. And we're gonna get straight into it. A yellow color. You are then going to go in with your VICK'S Vapor Rub. A teaspoon is fine, and honestly, you don't even need a teaspoon, not a full teaspoon. This right here is what's going to cause the tingle. This right here is going to make it do what it do. And you simply mix the ingredients together. You simply mix the ingredients together. I like that sound. Look, just like that, you are going to put this on your buttocks. You don't need to go downward. As I always say with your face as well, you need to move in upward circular motions. Upward circular motions. You want the booty to sit up and have perk. You don't want it to be falling. You do not want it to be sagging. And this done honestly, like 3 to 5 times per week. I suggest doing it in the evening, being that you don't necessarily want to put it on and go out through the day smelling like no VICK'S Vapor Rub. You feel me? Is it the most pleasant smell? Nah. But is it going to give you an instant booty pump? Yeah. Okay. And look, that's it. These 2 ingredients will have you out here. Nothing complicated about this. Easy DIY. Wanted to hit you with the heat one time with this, okay? And this right here is your recipe that will have you out here. You don't need more than this. If you want to make some to last you for a bit, cool. But this right here is a good amount for the entire buttocks. This right here is a good amount for the entire buttocks. And again, you apply in upward circular motions. Make sure that it is thoroughly rubbed into the skin. This right here will help. And if you combine it with exercise, if you combine it with the instant booty pump exercises from people, again, such as Annabelle Hayes, Chloe Tings, everyone else that you see out here doing the instant booty pump, then you will see that this will also do something. Again, is it going to have you on a pla down? Not necessarily, but it might have you on a pla. Okay? So go ahead, try it. Let me know if it works for you. And yeah, you're combining great avocado oil. I like to use one that is pure, handcrafted, premium avocados. Okay? Natural fat. Again, with the VICK'S Vapor Rub, and this combo right here is a great one. If you are not already subscribed to the channel, then I ask that you please do like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, And I will most definitely be back with more because this has been requested. Okay? Thanks for tuning in. And I'll holla. Peace.